Do you have just $100 to your name and wonder how you can turn it into $10,000? It's not a dream and it's not about luck. It's about taking small, smart steps that anyone can follow. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn $100 into $10,000 in just a few months. Step by step, no special skills, no magic tricks, just a proven method to start small and grow big. By the end, you will have everything you need to take that first step today. Ready? Let's get started. The first step is finding the perfect opportunity for you. Turning $100 into $10,000 starts with small, simple action that builds momentum. Here is how. Take a look at your skills and strengths. Can you write, design, take photos, or manage social media? Offer your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. If you don't have a specific skill set, no worries. Start by flipping products. Buy used or thrift stores items. Clean them up. Take great photos and sell them on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or even Instagram. You will be surprised how quickly you can double that first $100 just by being resourceful. The key to start small. Your first goal, turn it into $200. Then repeat. Step number 2. Reinvest every dollar you make. This is the golden rule. Reinvest everything you earn back into your hustle. And here is how. Most people stop when they make their first profit. They celebrate, spend it, and lose momentum. But millionaires know this secret. Money grows when you feed it. Here is what you can do with your first profit. Buy tools to make your hustle better, like advertising, better equipment, or supplies. Invest in yourself. Take affordable online courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera to sharpen your skills. For example, if you made $300 flipping products, use $100 to buy better inventory or run ads to sell faster. Every dollar should go back to building the business. Mindset shifts. You are not spending, you are scaling. Scaling isn't just about working harder. It's about working smarter and reinvesting to make more in less time. Before you know it, your $100 turns into $1,000 and then $10,000. The process is simple, but it's worth. Step 3 is where you start seeing the big results, and it is learn, adapt, and scale up. Here is the truth. What works today might not work tomorrow, so you have to keep learning and improving. Watch YouTube videos like this to discover new strategies. Follow people who already done what you are trying to do. Test and adapt. If one method works, scale it up. For example, let's say you started with reselling thrift items and now you are making $500 a month. Ask yourself, what next? Can you flip bigger items like furniture or gadgets? Who can I sell to? Can I sell faster? Could you partner with local stores or list on more platforms? These are the questions you should be asking yourself. So here is a step-by-step roadmap for you on how you can turn $100 into $10,000 in few months. 1. Start small. Find a $100 opportunity that works for you. 2. Reinvest your profit and keep feeding your growth. 3. Learn, adapt, and scale up to bigger results. It doesn't matter if you are starting from scratch. All it takes is one decision to start. Remember, small actions repeated consistently will create big results over time. Now comes your challenge. Start with $100. Find your side hustle. Make that first profit and keep building. Now, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more money making tips and more productivity tips, and share with someone who needs to hear it. Question for you: what's the first thing you would do with $100? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Let's grow together, one step, $1 at a time. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye bye.